Hello guys, this video is about the Vimtag camera reset. If you lost your password, you want to reset your camera, to set up your camera, here's the solution for you, okay? This is the Vimtag Mini G3 Cam. So it's an indoor and outdoor camera. And let me just show you here how to reset it. Basically what you have here under the camera is a reset button. So the first thing you need to know is that the camera is on. When you connect the cable here into your camera, you see there is no LED, there is no light indicating that the camera is on. You need to make sure the camera is on before you reset it, right? So if you just block the light from the camera like this, for example, you're gonna turn on the infrared here, okay? It takes a while and you're gonna hear a click. And then you're gonna see an LED here indicating that the camera is working. Here we go. There's an LED here. It's not that easy to see here because I'm not in the dark right now, but let me just quickly show you here. Here we go. Okay. Every time you cover this lens, you turn on the IR LED here. Okay. So I know it's working right now. So let's reset it. So on the bottom of the camera, you just need to press this reset button and hold it for a while. So here we go.
Restored factory settings successfully. Camera is rebooting. Please wait for a moment.
Okay, so I just need to click there and you're gonna hear the message and just wait.
Waiting for receiving the wireless config information.
Okay, so the camera is back. It takes a while. Now the camera is waiting for the wireless information, okay? So basically what I have to do is just use your cell phone and add the camera, okay? So let me do this right now here. You hear the information that is asking for the Wi-Fi. So here you come to your app, you just open it and you log into your account. And then here, you're gonna add a new camera. Let me select here Outdoor Mini. That's the case here. The camera is on. I click here Next. Now I need to scan the QR code that I have here on the camera. Here we go. And then the select config method here, there's an option by QR code, which is recommended, and by sound. Let me just select QR code. And here select my network. If you don't have this option here, a message will pop up asking you to allow the app to have access to your location. If you're using an iPhone, for example, right? In my case, the app can access the location already. When I installed the app, I allowed to access the location so I can find the network my phone is connected to and displays here. So I just click next. Already heard the voice message. Now it needs to read the QR code. Let me just point this to the camera.
Connecting to the router. Please wait for a moment. Connecting to the server. Please wait for a moment.
Okay, so the camera is connecting to the router. The signal is strong, pretty good. Next, and here I can name my camera. I can put any name I want here. Backdoor, for example, and just hit finish. And here we go. The camera is reset and ready to go. Okay, so it's basically working here. And then you can also add a password for your camera. Let me just input one here. Here we go. I just input a password. Click next. Talk later, and I'm done. Okay, my camera is ready to go. It's working here. And that's how you reset this Vimtag camera. Okay, if you lost your password or if you need to add the camera again to the app, that's the process to reset it. All right. So I hope this helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.